Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Dodge Charger RT 440 six-pack. And this one was a beauty and is a special car because it was saved from the junkyard to being crushed and restored to this beautiful car that you see in front of you. And it came out beautiful. They did a fantastic job restoring it. Had some upgraded wheels, which makes it look a little bit better with the bigger wheels. And I think anyway, but wheels are always a personal taste. And this one is pretty rare. In 1970, they only made 116 with the 440 six-pack engine in them. So that was just second to the Hemis, which they only made 42 of those in 1970. So the two top dogs were pretty rare birds in 1970. And this one was definitely a beauty. Well, this being the 1970 being the first year for the six-pack, the six-barrel carburetors, the 3 2-barrels on the 440 Magnum. It was a $119 option, and which was pretty good bargain because these ran a little bit better than the Hemis did with the 2 4-barrels. Those were a little temperamental, and usually had them wind up. You had to have your foot in it before it really got going. It was really tough to tune. So, but the 440 six-pack, these guys ruled the streets for Mopar, that's for sure. Back in the 70s and 80s, in the good old days, the muscle car days. But that was a $648 option on top of the RT package for the Hemi engine. That's probably why they only sold 42 of them. But this guy was a pretty good bargain for $119. It got you a real runner, that's for sure. And you could handle pretty much everybody on the street except for a couple here and there, unless they got the jump on you. As far as production numbers go, the Charger, unfortunately, had a 50% decline from the previous year, 1969 model year, which they sold 98,000. In 1970, they only sold 49,768. And of that, the RT model, they sold 10,337. And like I said, there only were 116 that had the 440 six-pack. So they were nice cars, though. It's hard to tell why they dropped, probably from the higher insurance and the gas, going to the unleaded gas and everything. That probably had a hand in it, in the decline, but they were still great looking cars. And in 71, they went to the third generation Charger. So 1970 was the last year for the second generation Chargers. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1970 Dodge Charger 440 six-pack in this beautiful burnt orange color. But thanks again for watching. I appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. And consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.